Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a Shamballa bracelet, so let's get started. For this project, you'll need letter beads that you can purchase at your local bead store, round black beads that we're going to use to add at the end of the Shamballa, and these octagon shaped beads that you're going to use to make the Shamballa look more beautiful. You'll also need thread. This thread is specifically for making the Shamballa bracelet. You also need a lighter or a matchstick to burn the ends of the thread. And the last thing you need is a pair of scissors. So go ahead and cut your thread. You can place the thread on your wrist to measure before cutting. Then cut another small thread and put it aside. Then select the letters you'd like to bead and arrange them to make beading easier. So start by passing the thread through all the beads. So once you've entered all the beads, adjust the sides of the Shamballa to make it as even as possible. Then crisscross the two threads by placing the left thread over the right thread. Then take the small thread we cut at the beginning and fold it into half. Place it over the two threads like this so that it acts as our middle cord. Next, make a regular knot by looping the thread around your finger, running the end through the loop and pulling it firmly. Then create a new regular knot by looping the thread around your finger, running the end of the thread through the loop and pulling it firmly. So you can still add regular knots just like I have shown you. I like to add 5 knots to make my Shamballa steady and strong. So once you have completed making the regular knots, go ahead and cut the remaining thread. Then using a lighter or a matchstick, burn the remaining ends of the thread. So be sure to burn the ends for your child if they want to work on this project. Okay, wait for it to melt down and then press it. Then add one small round bead to your left thread. Then create a loop and pass the thread through it 3 times, then pull it down. Then add one small round bead to your right thread, then create a loop and pass the thread through it 3 times, then pull it down. Then take a lighter or a matchstick and burn the ends. Wait for it to melt down, then press it like this. Again on the other side, take the lighter and burn the ends. So guys, there you have it, a beautiful Shamballa bracelet with an adjustable knot. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe for more.